Hey guys, what's up? It's Bankej Soni, and in this video I'm going to show you how to extract data of multiple stocks all at once using Python. So let's begin. So the first step is to import all the necessary libraries. Okay, import pandas, import data. Yeah. So in the second step we have to make a list of symbols of the various stocks that we want to extract the data of. So let's just say symbols: Apple, IBM, and let's just take Amazon. Step 3. So in the third step we have to make an empty pandas data frame. Okay, so in the last step we have to write the following for loop code. Let me just show you. For stocks in, then you have to write the name of the list, symbols. For stocks in symbols, and then write the name of the data frame, which is stocks underscore data frame. Stocks equals to name, data dot data reader, name equals to stocks comma data source equals to Yahoo. And then in the end you have to write the name of the column that you want the data of. For example, volume, opening price, closing price. In this case I'm going to extract the adjusted close price column. Adjusted close. Okay, so it worked successfully. And now if I write the name of the data frame that I wrote earlier, then stocks and data. Yep, as you can see we have successfully extracted the adjusted close price column of the Apple stock, of the IBM stock, and of the Amazon stock. So thanks for watching.